HK Tyagi, MSc PhD, B.Ed, M.Ed, MA English, and my several students have been selected in medical and PCS. Today, nowadays, I am teaching at home at my students. Those who are interested, they can come at the home. Now we proceed to that. It contains cortex and medulla. If we see the TS of adrenal gland, then we see first is zona glomerulosa, aldosterone. Second is zona fasciculata. It control zona fascicularis, zona epinephrine, norepinephrine. Now we proceed to the function of adrenal gland. First is nervous system. Second is control muscular stress. It control to stress, and it is also called 3F hormone. Protein distribute, blood supply becomes low, and peristaltic movement becomes low, and urinary bladder contract, and supply and the muscles contract. चलो see the hormone tyrosine, that is first decarboxylation, then sugar, then decarboxylation, then dopamine, then aldosterone, then norepinephrine, then adrenaline, then क्या नीचे कर दे see the significance of hereditary characters work. These works are not controlled by body. Those works are involuntary, controlled by auto nervous system. Then the parasympathetic nervous system is also controlled by it. Parasympathetic nervous system control, and norepinephrine produce acetylcholine that it control to the alarm to the stress reaction and epistasis, in control high blood pressure, blood control of secondary over, and now we see the mineralocorticoid and mineralocorticoid. Glucocorticoid, it controls to the carbohydrates, and it takes place to the glycogenesis of the adrenal cortex and function hypothalamus, then corticoids, then ACTH, then adrenal corticism, then ACTH, then adrenal glands, then glucocorticoids. Hypothalamic secretion addiction disease takes place because shortage of sugars and MR become less. Second disease of this hormone is hypoglycemia, that is, it stimulates adrenal gland, and Cushing disease takes place. Next is adrenal secretion. First is hyposecretion. Adrenal secretion becomes low and hypoglycemia takes place. It was discovered by Addison. So Addison disease is called dehydration. Next is BMR becomes low and hypercalcemia takes place. Calcium becomes short and temperature becomes short. And now we see the hyperglycemia. In hyperglycemia, diabetes takes place and edema of the body takes place. Next gland is pancreas. Pancreas is a mixed gland. It is endocrine and exocrine both. In this gland, we see the tears of the gland. Then we see that there are pancreatic acini. they form pancreatic juice. Now they form internal structure is called alpha beta gamma cells. Alpha beta gamma cells, they are very important. They control, the beta cells control insulin and diabetes insipidus takes place. Now we proceed to the testes. Testes are found in mammals. They are found in scrotal sacs, and various structures are found epididymis, then seminiferous tubule. If you see the structure of testes, then we see that there is germinal epithelium. Germinal epithelium forms spermatogonia, then spermatids, then sperms. Testes are located into scrotal sacs. If you see in testes, then various spermatogonia, spermatids, and sperms are formed. If you see the ovary in mammal is a very special structure. It is found inside the body. It contains germinal epithelium. Various follicles are found. These follicles increases day by day, and they form corpus corpus luteum. The corpus luteum ruptures at the time of MC, and a ova is released. If ova is combined with the sperm, then fertilization takes place, or NMC stops. कितना हो गया भाई?
एक पे जोर बोलो.
Ovary contain gonadotropin, hormone progesterone, and estrogen produce eggs and feminine hormones. MC takes place after 2 to 29 days. Ovary returns, corpus luteum is formed after ovulation, and theca interna is formed. Progesterone forms control menses, and hormones is formed by uterine tissue, and MDO and forms steroids, forms gonadotropin, somatotropin, and chemical, and checks pregnancy. Corpus luteum becomes active, and gastrointestinal epithelium. Now on the next day we shall discuss the gastrointestinal